All right, so you should have already done number 1 and 2 about Sean and Leah. So once you have those done, you can start the notes, but please make sure that you check your final answers with Ms. Storch before moving on. All right, so we're going to be doing discount today, which is very similar to the setup for tax and tip. However, discount this time, instead of an additional charge that goes on to our purchase, it's money that we save. So we will use the same proportion setup from tax and tip to solve everyday consumer problems. So our setup is going to look like this. The discount over the original charge, and just like tax and tip, the percent over 100, and we're still thinking part to whole. The discount is your part of the whole cost, right? So think like when you and your mom go to the store and there's, I don't know, like a Christmas sale or something. So it's 50% off your purchase. So if you buy something for $100, you save $50. You only have to pay $50. Okay, so we'll do 2 together and then we'll do 2 alone. The first one says you finally see the laptop computer you want on sale for a 20% discount. The original price was $299, so what is the discount? So we're going to use our setup. The original price was $299. We don't know the discount, and the percent always goes over 100. From here, I'm going to cross multiply. 299 times 20 is 5,980, and that's equal to 100x. Then we would divide by 100, and that should give me $59.80. Oops. Okay, so let's continue on. The next one says Kenneth wants to buy a Ravens jersey that costs $74.50. Sports Authority is having a 30% off sale. So what is the discount? So it's $74.50 for the original jersey, and we don't know what the discount is. And again, it's always going to be the percent over 100. Now we'll cross multiply. 74.50 times 30 is 2,235. And that's all going to equal 100x. We would then divide by 100 on both sides and get $22.35. That's my discount. Again, that's how much money I'm saving, not how much money I'm spending. How much money I am saving. Okay, go ahead and do 4 and 5, and then raise your hand when you are done to get them checked. So you'll need to pause the video now and attempt 4 and 5, then get them checked. Okay, so by now you should have gotten 4 and 5 checked, and those were all discount questions. And now we will move on to sale price. So number 6 says when a question asks how much an item costs after the discount, we need to calculate the sale price. So the first thing you'll have to do is calculate the discount for the item. Okay, so just like we did on the first page, you're still calculating the discount. But if it asks for how much money you'll actually spend after the discount, or what is the sale price, you have to subtract. I think sale price starts with an S, subtract starts with an S. The sale price should be lower than the original price because you are saving money. You want to think logically about this. A lot of times students can set the right proportion up, but it's harder when they go to read the question and figure out what is the question really asking. So we'll try 2 together. Number 7, Barbara wants to buy a DVD for her friend's birthday. The original cost is $15.75, but the store is having a 10% off sale. How much will the DVD cost? Okay, so we've got, well, it's $15.75, and we don't know how much the discount is. But we know she's getting 10% off of $15.75. So once we cross multiply, $15.75 times 10 is 157.5. Set that up equal to 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And x is going to be 1.575. But we know that in money we can only have two decimals behind, or two numbers behind the decimal, so we'll have to round. So the discount is really 1.5. Well, that 5 back here in the thousands place is going to bump up the 7 in the hundreds place. So my discount is $1.58. Okay, now we have to take letter B, subtract the discount, $1.58, from the original price to find the sale price. So $15.75 minus $1.58. Go ahead and calculate that. And that'll give you the sale price. So that should give you $14.17. Okay, and again, if you have questions, this is a video, so you can pause the video and just ask. All right, number 8, Miss Murray wants to buy earrings for her mom. The original cost is $24.25. The store is having a 20% discount, 20% out of 100. How much will the earrings cost? Notice the question says how much will the earrings cost, not what is the discount. So we will have to subtract this because how much will the earrings cost is really what is the sale price. Okay, so we'll cross multiply first. It gives me 485 equals 100x. We divide both sides by 100. And it gives me an even 485. So the discount, how much money I'm saving, is $4.85. But if I want to find the sale price we subtract. So how much did the earrings actually cost? Subtract the original, or subtract the discount from the original. So go ahead and calculate that. $24.25 minus $4.85. So she should get $19.60. All right, so now it's your turn. You're going to pause the video. You're going to work on number 9, number 10. Notice there are 2 items that you're buying. I would add them first before you calculate your proportion. And number 11. Okay, be careful. You look for what the question is asking. All right, once you finish that, I'll give you the work that you did not finish yesterday back, and we'll do our exit ticket. Excellent job.